Hello, my Schoology friends. I'm going to be showing you a new app today called Google Assignments. So it's an app that is pre-installed from the administration end, and it's a little different than using the other app for Google Drive. And I'm going to show you the difference here. I'm going to flip back and forth between two screens. So here's my mock course that I created. And if I go back over here, take two. All right. And here is my student, my mock student. And I want to show you what that does. Okay. So I am in my course, my class, and I created week 2. So I'm going to focus on the folder for week 2. And now I'm going to add an assignment. So from add materials, I'm going to add the assignment. I'll give the assignment a name. For this one, I am going to call it Computer Careers. And here I'll give a description, any other form of instructions. And down here, assign from app Google Drive assignments. So I'm going to go in there. And now I can use my Google Digital Worksheet, or this is a great way if you want your students to start a written activity, or if you have notes to share and want them to add on from there. So there are multiple ways to be using this app. I'm going to show you the awesome feature in about 2 seconds here. So let me just get to this. So I am going to grab my copy of Computer Careers Assignments and click Attach. And you go back in and just give your due date. I'll give them a day. And here we go. What category? Classwork, numeric. I'll keep everything the same because we're mainly focusing on the Google Drive assignments today. I'm going to click Create. Okay, so I have my assignment now built in like any other assignment that you do in Schoology, but here is the awesome part, okay? First, I'm going to flip over to the student. I am going to go to here, and now I have my week 2. I'm going to go in my week 2. Hopefully I don't have to refresh the page. Beautiful. There it is. I am going to click on my Computer Careers assignment. I see that it's assigned to me, and here's the description and all that fun stuff. And now I'm going to go to my document. Okay, so here is the worksheet right in here. And there's another great couple things you notice. Now, my student's name this is the mock student name. So it automatically names the assignment according to your student. It automatically does that for you. And there's another great thing that it automatically does. So the student comes in, they can work in here, they can work off of it from their Google Drive. Okay, so it's built right in. Here, let me see if I could change anything in here. So they had to answer a question here, for example, and then they click submit assignment. Yes, submit. Never mind, not yet. But I want to show you something really quick before that student submits the assignment. What's one worry always about Google? In other tutorials I've shown you, and I'm sure it's out all over the web, how you can make it so a student automatically receives a copy of the assignment. What it does now using Schoology with your Google Assignment app is it automatically creates a copy for that student. So let me go in here, and it will tell you in progress, submissions. See, and it tells you here that, oh, Narden student 1, you can look at what they're working on right within here. Submissions, okay, who submitted what, the filter. Of course, anything hasn't been worked on yet, but I'm going to go back to my drive really quickly, if I may. And what you are going to notice in your drive, now you have these Schoology assignments, each course that you're teaching. And within each course that you're teaching, it makes a copy of all the students' work. So here we go, my student name, the number, the letter of the worksheet. So you automatically take ownership. There's no more of your students saying, oh, I forgot to share it with you. I forgot to make a copy. Schoology makes this really nice and simple and embedded right within their framework. So let me submit this assignment. Let's take a look at what that looks like. My student is done, submits the work. Yes, submit. This student is a rock star. Okay, so there we are there. We're going to go back here. Now here's, yep, now Now it flips over from editing to suggesting. You have taken ownership. Students cannot edit this any longer. Fabulous, fantastic tool. Makes me excited. Okay, now let's new right off the docket. Like I said, I'm playing around with it as you guys are going to play around with it. I'm so excited. Okay, so here it is. Now you have the assignment in here, and it's just like any other assignment. Now you could see that what they have done, what they are working on, what they need to do. Here we go. And you could give them a grade built right in here. Here you go. Save it, give the comments, submit it back to them. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So excited that Schoology has now added this feature. So if you have any questions or you need me to show you this more thoroughly, let me know. Take care.